The problem you face is your content. What you have to do, if you want to make more and more content, if you are YouTuber or you want to write emails or blog or everything else, you have to go to your history and find what you are searching. Like, I suppose I want a YouTube channel, and I'm searching what are the best way to upload your video, or what are the things to keep in mind while you're making video, what are the best ideas of content. Okay, what you do, you make an Excel sheet and extract all the searches you have done for the recent 1 year. Okay, then what you do, you write it down and then start filtering them. Okay, find out, like, in meanwhile, while I was making video, I was searching like how to make a video. Okay, what are the key points to keep in mind while you are making a video. Like you have to care about why, what, who is your audience or everything else. But I'm not doing this for this video, but these are the things that you have to keep in mind. So this is the content. That is how you have to make content. Like, you search what you have searched, list it down and make, like, suppose how to make a YouTube video. Okay, the people are searching like that, like you are searching for that, other people are also searching for that thing. So this is how you can make the content. This is the best way and this is the easiest way. You can try it. Download your one year history and enlist the topics you have searched and what are the queries you have searched. And while you will search it again, you will observe that every person is posting, like, there are a lot of videos. Then why you are stopped? You have to make that video. So if you want to learn the tips and tricks about digital marketing, so I started my own agency with the name of Ali Develops. So join with me, so I will tell you more about these things.